Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for cars in the AutoScout24 app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the AutoScout24 app. On the bottom you can see on the top on start search in the black box, or you can see it in the bottom on the second icon. Tap on search, and here you can select your location. First off, you can use your current location. Price and payment, you can select from, let's say, 2,000 to 5,000 euros. You can select basic data, the vehicle condition, new or used, let's say used, first registration from 2017, the mileage in kilometers, let's say to 20,000. You can search for more options if you would like to have gasoline or diesel or electric. Let's tap on diesel, transmission, manual, vehicle history with full service history, equipment if you would like to select them. Here you can see you can select them by tapping on them. And here on the bottom you can see this yellow box. It's just one result. Tap on it and you can see here the car, and here you can see the details. And if you like it, you make a call or email. If you don't, you continue to search. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.